Hi guys! Ayan, may present ako. May gift ako. Birthday gift kay Nathan. Itong Mario stuffed toy. At saka, ito yung second batch ng gift niya. From me and Daddy Castro. Itong Mario stuffed toy. And tada! A new bicycle for Nathan. Ayan, ibigay natin sa kanya. Ayan. Hello, Nathan. I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes, me love.
Oh, may surprise si Mami.
Close your eyes. Tada! Mario. And I have a Mario.
We have one present.
Wait, do you want a big present? Do you want a big present? Nathan, punta kayo doon. Kunin mo tapos punta kami doon. Come here, my love. Come here, Nathan. Mommy will show you. Come on, come here. Come here. Get the Mario. Here. Nathan, mommy has a surprise for you. A big gift. You close your eyes first. You count 1 to 10. Do not. Come here. You count 1 to 10. Count 1 to 10. 1. You face mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you ready? Tada! What is that? What is that, me love? What is that, me love?
Wait a minute.
Okay. Do you know how to ride? Tulungan mo siya niya. Oh, Dad. Help me, oh. You know how to pedal? You know how to pedal? Oh, pedal, go. No, the other way around. Nathan, are you happy? What will you say? What will you say? It's not moving. Because you don't know how to pedal. You pedal. Forward. Yes, forward, not backward. Now, you're moving. Urong muna dito. Like that. Okay, come. Move back. Backwards, my love. Okay, move forward with Mario. Wow, with Mario talaga pa. Oh, you know how to pedal? Wow, do you like your gift? Do you like it? Look. There's a bell. You like it? Do you like it, Titan? Again. Mababa. Adjust. Hindi nga niya makapedal. Yung upuan, aba daw. Yan. Ayan muna, guys. Next time ulit. Bye-bye.